Hey there, you've just scored a massive win on Newton. The profits are piling up, and you're itching to cash out. But how do you actually withdraw your hard-earned gains? Hook. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton withdrawals. We'll cover everything from the different withdrawal methods to the fees involved and the time it takes to get your money. Building context. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what Newton is. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. So, if you've been trading on Newton and want to know how to convert your crypto into fiat currency, you're in the right place. Main content. Understanding withdrawal methods. There are primarily two ways to withdraw your funds from Newton: bank transfers and cryptocurrency wallets. 1. Bank transfers. This is the most common method. You simply link your bank account to your Newton account and initiate a withdrawal. Newton will then transfer the funds directly to your bank. Pros: simple, secure, and widely available. Cons: may take a few business days to process, and there might be fees involved, depending on your bank and Newton's policies. 2. Cryptocurrency wallets. If you prefer to keep your funds in crypto, you can withdraw them to a cryptocurrency wallet. This is a digital wallet that stores your private keys, allowing you to access and control your crypto assets. Pros: faster and often cheaper than bank transfers. Cons: requires you to have a cryptocurrency wallet and understand the risks associated with storing private keys. Factors affecting withdrawal times. Several factors can influence how long it takes for your withdrawal to process. These include: withdrawal method. Bank transfers generally take longer than withdrawals to cryptocurrency wallets. Verification level. If you haven't verified your identity with Newton, it may take additional time to process your withdrawal. Network congestion. If the blockchain network is congested, it can slow down transaction times. Withdrawal fees. Newton may charge fees for withdrawals, depending on the method you choose and the amount you're withdrawing. It's important to check Newton's fee schedule for the most accurate information. Step-by-step guide to withdrawing funds. Now, let's walk through the process of withdrawing funds from Newton. Log into your Newton account. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Select your desired withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Provide the necessary details, such as your bank account information or wallet address. Review the withdrawal details and confirm. Wait for the withdrawal to process. Security tips for withdrawals. When withdrawing funds from Newton, it's crucial to prioritize security. Here are some tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login credentials to anyone. Verify withdrawal details carefully. Before confirming a withdrawal, double-check the recipient's information. Outro. Withdrawing funds from Newton is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the different methods, fees, and security considerations involved. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently access your hard-earned crypto profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.